G'day. We've got a classic case here of is it clean? It's been cleaned. I only know that because there's a lot of oven cleaner inside it, right? But I'm going to show you how to make this thing look amazing, even though it's really ratty, right? But if we just have a look inside, there's a whole lot of oven cleaner that's actually sitting in here. Can't even get them out, they're in back at the start. This is very dirty, but most of it will just come off because it's actually oven cleaner that's dried on the thing. So they've sprayed the hell out of it and then they've tried to wash it and they just haven't rinsed it properly. They've basically wiped it off. When it's wet, they thought, gee, it looks clean, close it up. This is what happens when it dries, right? All the oven cleaner comes out and you can see it. The trays are average. So I'm getting oven cleaner on my hands as I go here. All of these are gonna have to be washed in the sink, right? It's all gonna wash off nicely. It won't be a problem because they just didn't finish it right, okay? Now, it'd be very right for you to be called back to fix this up if you're a tenant or if you're a cleaner that do a cleaning for a tenant. So, I'm going to show you how easy it could have been, right? Because this is nothing, this is simple. So we're going to do those up in the sink and I'll wipe this out as well. But just give you a closer look at some of the things so you can get a good feel for it. You can see all the blotches in the stainless steel. Now it is stainless steel because when you do the scratch test you can feel the friction, whereas if that was covered in plastic it would actually feel like the glass. And so this is important to know for later, right? But you can see it's looking a bit gruddy. Looks pretty hard, well on. We can rectify a lot of that. Okay, so this, all oven cleaner. See inside, just an unfinished oven. All the racks, I'll get done up there. So we'll get stuck into all that, and I'll show you what it should look like. Now the best way to attack it, this is just dishwashing liquid in water or spray. Literally, just spray the place. Probably have to take this glass out, it's growing the edges, but we'll just get in. And this is just a wet microfiber cloth, that's it. Now we're going to dry it. This is just fast, clean. Just makes it quicker. I'm not worried about this because I have to take it off. Okay, we'll do the glass in a minute, but first we'll just get rid of these. I do like to give it a quick spray. Also got a scraper handy just in case I need it. All we're doing is literally rinsing them. Running water, get a cloth. I will get some steel wool too. It's just a little bit on there. Well, that was hard, yakka. Now, we're just gonna get this glass out. This is a good one. It comes out from the front. See this little button here? Press it down. And this bit slides off, which is nice. Same over here. Bit dirty, but that's okay. So we'll wash those. Now, when you take the glass out of an oven door, you gotta be careful. These things are based on weight as to how they stay down. So if you take that off, the door wants to close. Right? The other thing is it's sitting in a hinge. Just make sure you lift it out, or you can break it like these people did. So lift the glass up slightly and just let the oven door go up with it. It won't close all the way, but it will go to a spot. And then we'll go and wash it. Okay, so we've got two sides, we're going to do both. I noticed before there were some marks on here, so I'm going to give it a good scrub with Jif. Do not use steel wool on these. No. You can use an on-scratch scour Jif, you can use a blade, as long as it's wet and gentle. We'll have to do both sides. It's got a few nice scratches on it from somebody else. So I'm going to use Jif. Jif loves water. We're going to give it a really good scrub. Then we'll rinse both sides. Sit it aside and deal with the door. Hole inside the door needs work over. Bit of Jif on this. It's easy. Gonna make it look 10 times better. You're gonna wash it all off. Give it a rinse. Some glass cleaner, nice dry cloth for drying. That's now ready for the glass. We'll go and get it. Okay, so hold it down. I'm going to put it back in. So you'll have a matte side, I'll have a glass reflective side on the outside. But I'm just giving it a quick extra glass clean with a nice dry cloth. Switch her over. Slide it in. And once it's in, the door will stay down. I'm just going to put our bits back in. Sometimes they'll feel a bit tricky, but they do go in. It's really simple, can you tell? Silly thing. Okay, so the hole on the side of the glass is done. That looks nice. I'll show you the inside here before we put it all back together, just so you can see it's been done. Now you can see a difference, right? There's no oven cleaner stuck on it anymore. Which is how it should have been. Look, it's an old oven. It's seen some hell. That's alright. Let's put the trays back in. This is going to look fantastic for a pre-sub clean. Alright, we're going to clean this up. There still might be a few blemishes and so forth in the stainless steel, but we'll be able to get back to pretty much the state. One of the key things I use on this is Jif, but I've got to be really careful because I can't use Jif anywhere around these black writing because it will actually take it off. So, but I can use it everywhere else. I've just got to be gentle with it. So I won't use a scour with this. It's only going to use a wet washcloth. And so first of all, we're just going to give it a spray with dishwashing liquid spray. And then I'll get in and do some scrubbing with Jif. We'll dry it off. I'll use a glass cleaner to speed it up. And then we'll treat the stainless steel the same we did with the range hood. And there you have it, a nicely finished oven, just the way it should be. If you think those results are worthy, hit the like button for me, that'd be great, really helps out. Also, if your friends can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Hell, if you have a question, just whack it in the comments below, I'll get to them ASAP. And look, I'd love you to join me on this journey.
All you gotta do is tap that face with the green circle around it to subscribe. You'll get more videos, but here's a couple more to have a look at right here. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and you have a great day.